Interactions Intelligent Virtual Agent, or IVA, can help busy cardholders take care of tasks using convenient and efficient self-service. Let's take a listen to see how different this experience is from what most of us encounter when contacting customer service today.
I'm an intelligent virtual assistant that can understand complete sentences. Please tell me why you're calling today.
I had a trip get canceled, and now I have a credit, so I need that refunded.
I can help you with a credit balance. First, I need to access your account. Please say or enter your 16.
You'll notice that the cardholder didn't have to listen to a long menu, press certain numbers, or speak in a certain way. He used his own words to say why he was calling, even ums and ahs, and was understood. The IVA can understand and communicate on a human level, resulting in an experience that is conversational versus robotic.
We've sent mail that was returned to us as undeliverable. Before we proceed, let's update your mailing address. Starting with the street number, please tell me the full address, including any apartment or suite information.
It's 214 Roberts Street.
I have your new address as 214 Roberts Street. Is that correct?
That's correct.
Okay, I've updated the address on your account.
The cardholder was focused on one task, but was able to efficiently take care of another when the IVA proactively recognized that she needed to update her address. With other systems, the complex nature of an address capture would have required a transfer to an agent and possibly a long hold time. This proactive prompt saved the cardholder from having to call back again.
We have one more step to protect your account. Do you have a cell phone number that is registered to you personally where we can send a one-time passcode?
Yes.
Please say or enter that phone number. Thanks. Can I go ahead and send the code?
Yes.
I'm sending that now. When you get it, please enter the 6-digit code you received. Thank you. I can update or add a cell, home, fax, or business.
To ensure that every conversation is effortless, the IVA can collect or send information using simultaneous channels. In this case, the IVA, while still speaking to the caller, sent a real-time digital text message allowing the caller to verify her identity quickly and securely and continue the conversation. The future of customer care today. The intelligent virtual agent, powered by interactions.